Hello, my name is Claire and my mom is teaching you how to do math things, but she's not much of a musician, so I'm going to help her out explaining major triads, and I'm going to use this super nifty diagram that looks kind of like some sound waves and a handy dandy ukulele. Personally, I would recommend this guy for an explanation, but he takes 20 minutes, so this is the Reader's Digest version. The first interval I want you to understand is an octave, and when you play an octave, it sounds like this. The two notes sound the same to you because of the way your brain organizes sound. And part of that is this 2-to-1 ratio. If you look, there are 2 orange waves in the space of 1 blue wave, giving us the 2-to-1 ratio. Besides our waves, we have the size of the actual string. So if we measure from point O to point C, we have approximately 15 inches of sound producing fun. So if we cut that in half, we get 7.5 inches of sound producing fun. And what does that point to? This little dot on your ukulele. So if we play 15 inches of string, it sounds like this. And if we cut that in half to 7.5 inches of string, sounds like that. That's called an octave, and musicians write it like this. If you think back to the picture of the waves I showed you, this would be the blue line, and this would be the orange line, and there would be twice as many waves in the orange as in the blue. The next interval we're going to tackle is the perfect fifth, and this is C to G. If you will recall from my favorite math problem, the ratio of a perfect fifth, or O to G as compared to O to C, is going to be 2 to 3. So we measured the ukulele, and we have 15 inches. Multiply that by 2/3, and we get 10 inches. At 10 inches, we have a nice little dot. That dot is a perfect fifth. Played together, it sounds like this. Pretty, right? Finally, we're going to talk about the major third. If you remember, the ratio for the major third is 4 to 5. 4/5 of 15 inches of fun is 12, or 1 foot. And that's right here on our string. So if we play 4/5 of the string, we get an E. Sounds like a doorbell. Finally, we're going to stack all of our intervals together. It would look like this. So the notes C plus E plus G make up a major triad. Your major triad sounds like this. Play them all together and you get the basis for many, many songs. Alright everyone, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something about major triads and their ratios, because I think they're super cool.